I thought I would show you my morning routine. I've never brought the camera to this before, but this is what I've been doing every morning. I go down to deck 4, head into this place. I place my order over there, and then I head over here to get a bite. This morning I just got one of these donuts here, and then I come back over here while I wait for my coffee. I got my espresso frappuccino, which is what I've been getting, and today I got Kerry something too. Normally I don't because she's not awake yet when I do this. No kidding, when I went up they knew what I wanted. I didn't even have to say anything, so that's pretty crazy that they learned it that quickly. And then I bring it out here and sit here for like an hour.
Good morning! It's another day at sea on Odyssey of the Seas.
Right now we're heading to go get a little snack at the Solarium Bistro, see what they have, and then we're gonna check out the stores because it is Black Friday today. I know that they're probably not gonna have anything, but we might as well check. Plus we wanted to get some Christmas presents.
Yeah.
And then tonight we have Giovanni's Kitchen. Super excited about that.
Yeah, because we haven't had enough of that food from the wine bar yet, so we need the actual legit Giovanni's.
Also, I'm gonna be doing the RipCord today for the first time. Here we are in the Solarium Bistro.
Washy washy. I think it's leftover from last night.
You could get some leftover ham. Well, that's good that they're doing leftovers. It's not really leftovers, by the way. It's just ham.
We don't know.
We don't know. Here's our little snack.
This is ham.
We're still not sure what the ham was last night. If it was ham or turkey.
The difference between last night and this, this tastes like ham.
We made it to deck 4. Let's see if they have anything besides our usual, 10 or 15% for diamond. Or
Happy Black Friday.
does it say that somewhere?
No, but I said it in my brain.
They have the ship models like they always do, but this one seems like much higher detail. Don't you think?
Yeah, I do.
They have the big font, so that's cool.
That is cool. This isn't normally there on
Really?
the ship. On the ship.
Oh, like this white part's a part of the ship.
Yeah. It was a joke.
Oh.
You didn't get it.
Yeah, you should get that for yourself.
It's like, like a crop top. Yeah, I could fit into that.
That might be good for
Grayson, your
Grayson.
little nephew.
My nephew. That's probably good.
How big is he? Do we have any, what is a 2? I don't know what that
His
means.
age, I guess. No, but seriously, right?
Really? This is for an 8-year-old?
Yeah. I could see that. Look, they have a hat with the little, the safety video for kids on the TV?
I do.
That's the character in that video.
Wow. Mitch, our cruise director, records things for the TV to talk about the day.
Every morning.
Yeah. And he said there's a whole new
product line or something.
Product line, and we can tell, and we're happy about it. So good job, Royal.
Here's what we've decided.
We have a haul.
Yeah, we have a Royal Caribbean haul. Okay. For my mom. This is all Christmas, by the way. Oh, by the way, no Black Friday. Nephew. Christmas. This one for my mom. For my mom. Everything's for my mom. And then this for my dad.
What about your sister or AJ? Do you care about them?
No.
Okay.
Do you want to see if any of the other stores have Black Friday?
Yeah, because I think Effie has engagement rings on
Oh, stop. If I gave you an Effie engagement ring, you would have to say no. Right?
Yeah, obviously. I want a ring pop.
Okay, so there's not really any. I literally was not expecting anything to be on sale.
And the thing is, we don't really need any of this stuff.
Yeah.
I am going in here.
We would only buy something that would say Royal Caribbean anyway. So this is one of the jewelry stores. So they actually have, up to 50% off. So who knows? You want to just keep looking through these stores and see? I don't know. We're not going to get anything here. It's just.
Oh, but babe, look.
Yeah, but you would hate that.
It looks good. Tell me what just happened.
Amazing things just happened. So we decided we could just go to the pool deck and lay out there, but we have our own private pool deck, kind of, minus the pool, right here. So we're gonna lay out here in the sun
And eat.
and eat some chicken fingers.
I love that.
Okay, this looks good.
It smells really good. I wish we had smell-o-vision.
Yeah. This is perfect.
Wow.
And then after this, I'm just gonna lay here for like a couple hours.
Oh my goodness. It feels nice out. Like I
feels
feel
so
like
nice.
it's finally blue skies, sunny, warm.
It's like sunny and warm, but also really breezy, so like you're not gonna get too hot.
Yeah. Perfect
Yeah.
conditions for tender eating.
Okay, so what was the question? If you could be on any deck with, it's the same room, it's just whatever deck you want, what deck would you pick?
For me, I would pick deck 13
Why?
because I really like our current location and proximity to the Windjammer, but we currently have to walk up 2 flights of steps to get to the Windjammer,
Yeah.
and it would be much better if it was just one. So yeah, I would pick just one floor up. If you could have the exact same room on the bump out, it's a junior
Yeah, this
suite,
room.
but it could be on any deck, what deck would you choose?
Depends on where the cruise is sailing. Because if it's in the Caribbean, I would want 13. If it's in Alaska, I want lower. Because in Alaska, I want to be closer to the Esplanade. I want to be closer to the indoor stuff. If it's hotter out, I want to be closer to the pool deck and the Windjammer.
That makes sense.
Yeah. But I love this room. Love the location right by the elevator. The bump out, amazing. This balcony is amazing.
For sure. Next up, Brian will be trying out RipCord by iFly, and he will be going skydiving. I'm too scared to do it, but I will be filming the whole thing.
Okay, I'll see you when I'm done.
All right, have fun.
Brian told me that I should attempt to do my best sports newscaster voice during his performance on RipCord by iFly, so I will try my hardest to do that. The instructor is showing off for us.
The next lineup is here. We hope to see a man with extremely pointy hair arrive, although we will not be able to see his hair under all of this helmet. The one all the way on the left is our lucky victim. Look forward to seeing how well he does in here. He is up first. He's showing great form, and he's off! He's going a solid 108 miles per hour. He is showing us excellent form. He needs to give us a smile to the camera. Look at him go! His little cheeks. Wow, he's going higher and higher. Flying high in the sky. Giving us a spin and an excellent dismount. And now they exit. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You are? That's interesting. You always wanted those at the pool deck.
It's hard.
It looks hard, but you made it look easy. There's another cruise ship out there super close by. I can't tell what line that is, but it looks pretty. Here's our guy. He did such a good job.
Did you see this ship?
I did. Brian, how was it?
Insanely hard.
Really?
You get 1 minute, and that doesn't sound like a lot, but that's literally all you need. I did my minute, and I was like, I'm done. And then they like called me back in, and I was like, I don't want to go.
I saw the round before you, and I knew they were going to do that.
Once you get in there and you drop in, it's like, I'm in no control. I have no control over what's happening, and I'm just laying here, and like the instructor's like gonna take it from there.
It looked like the instructor was pretty much in control the whole time.
Yeah, I just felt like powerless. It was like, okay. And then he started spinning me around, and I was like, oh my God, this is like making me dizzy.
You looked nauseous by the end of your first one and also at the end of your second one.
It's so hard. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know if like, I don't need to do it again.
You did a great job, and I'm very, very proud of you.
There were some people that were like really good that didn't even need the instructor.
Yeah,
Like, I bet they have a lot of practice.
Yeah.
I just don't know if I could ever get that good.
I know. And I don't even,
It's
the
so
instructors are insanely good.
Once you get in there and it's like, all the wind and like you're like it's so weird. It is so weird. I don't even know if I could do real skydiving.
The whole time you were doing it, I was thinking, once Phil puts us on The Amazing Race, he's gonna make us jump out of an airplane, and I don't know if I can do that.
Yeah. Now I think we have to get ready for dinner at Giovanni's. So
For sure. You need a garlic knot after all of that.
I need like 3 garlic knots.
Maybe like 12.
Yeah.
Do you think we can ask for extra?
Yeah.
Okay. Tonight is Dress Your Best night. We don't entirely know what that means, but we did try our best. We have Giovanni's kitchen coming up, so we're excited to get some yummy pasta tonight.
Wait, we're going in. I just found a duck. Holy crap.
What were you trying to do?
I found this. I found a duck.
You're kidding. Why does it says 21 on that? Do you think there's 21 ducks on this cruise? Or do you think someone turned 21?
I bet they did 21 ducks.
That's a lot of ducks. They probably did more than that.
It says Odyssey, November 20th, 2021.
That's this cruise.
Yeah. It's been such a long time since we found a duck.
I know, I'm excited about it.
So yeah, we're here in Giovanni's. I'm super excited for this, super hungry. Probably seems like just a few seconds ago that we ate, but it's been hours. We had Giovanni's on Freedom of the Seas and it was amazing. It was like our favorite meal of the whole cruise.
Yeah, we've had a lot from the wine bar already, so I'm excited to get some pasta though.
Here it is on our top 10 list, the garlic knots.
I am so excited for this. I mean,
We ate these so fast on Freedom that we never even got a chance to take out the camera.
yeah. Is it acceptable to ask for more?
Yes, and we're going to.
Okay, but you're going to, right?
Yeah,
I want this one.
the hype is real.
We begged for more.
We got more. This is the second place item in our top 10 list.
And it's good. It's really good.
So after dinner tonight, we have the effectors.
Which we have heard so much about. Like, people rave.
It's like a superhero show in the theater.
We'll find out if it's good.
So this is the Caesar salad.
What is this, dear?
It has the croutons. People were saying that they're really good. Have you tried one? We don't know if it could be the same as
I
chopped.
haven't tried it yet, but yeah.
Let's see. I'm gonna find out right now. I think they're the same. They're really good. It must be the same. I don't know.
House-made croutons on board. Very good.
What'd you get?
Spaghetti pomodoro.
Okay,
It's just spaghetti.
okay. And I'm having the duck. No, I'm just
What
kidding.
is that?
I got the lasagna,
Look at all the bread you got.
and I got bread with it, which I'm really excited that it came with all that bread.
Wow.
This looks really good.
We got dessert to go, but we just found a perfect hiding spot for our duck.
It blends in.
He really does. Excellent work. Oh my god.
Voila.
Chocolate ravioli. What did I get? Go bananas. Yeah.
We missed our elevator.
Whoops.
We're heading into the theater now to see the show. Here we go.
Wow.
How do you pronounce this?
Effectors.
The effectors? I don't know.
They're affecting things.
But we've heard that this is supposed to be very, very good.
I like this seat because it's almost like I'm in the balcony, but like I don't have to be in the balcony.
Are you excited for the show?
I'm not like a big superhero fan. Like Marvel is not my thing, but I've heard good things, so I'm hoping that the show wows me.
Okay, I have so much to say about this show. I don't even know where to begin. The performers, let's just say, amazing.
For sure.
The technology. Oh look, they have like a cutout thing. Anyway, the technology. It's the best show tech I've ever seen.
Like you said, the screen in the back, it must have so many pixels because you can't even tell that it's a screen.
I've never seen a screen used in a way where like you literally cannot tell it's a screen. The quality is that good. I've never seen that. It's the best tech I've seen on land or on sea.
Yeah, no, I completely agree. The tech is amazing, and the performers are really, really good.
They even have a part with drones, which is crazy.
It's really good.
Like drones fly into the audience.
Which is hard because Disney's tried it before, and like when you try to form a shape, it doesn't work, but they did a good job.
Yeah. Oh, they have presents under the tree now.
Well, I hope they're for me.
Let's just say overall, the music is so bad that it ruins the show.
It really does. I really just wish they would create their own, because like the show could have been really good if they just like wrote their own plot, storyline, music stuff.
They do I Need a Hero song 3 different times.
Holding out for a hero.
If they had original songs, the shows would be amazing.
For sure.
They're just missing original songs.
Yeah, which isn't that hard.
And then like,
hire a composer.
anyway, we're calling it a night, but we will see you tomorrow for another day at sea.
See ya.
In our next video, we have another day at sea, where we try out scuba diving in the pool, we ride the bumper cars, and we get to ask the captain a question.